This presentation will help you learn to identify adverbs. An adverb is a word used to describe or modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Adverbs can come before or after the word they describe. Dad snores loudly. Loudly describes the verb snores. Notice it comes after the verb that it describes. His snores are really explosive. Really describes the adjective explosive. Really comes before the word it modifies. Dad snores very loudly. Very describes the adverb loudly. It comes before the word it modifies. Loudly describes the verb snores. It comes after the verb that it describes. Let's look at another example. Slowly the man crawled down. Slowly is an adverb telling how, and it describes the verb crawled. Down is an adverb telling where, and it also describes the verb crawled. Okay, let's practice. Please pause the video and write down this sentence. Then underline the adverb and draw an arrow to the word or words that the adverb modifies. Okay, the answer is as follows. Already is your adverb, and it describes the verb has completed. Okay, again, please pause the video and write down this sentence. Sherlock Holmes solved the case very quickly. Your answers are as follows. The adverb is very, telling how, and it describes the adverb quickly. The adverb quickly, it describes the verb solved, and quickly tells how. And for your last practice, please pause the video again and write down this sentence. Our committee is especially busy this time of year. The answer is as follows. The adverb is especially, it answers how, and it describes the adjective busy, and the adjective busy describes the noun committee. Now let's review. Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. So when you think of adverbs, remember there are three parts of speech that an adverb might describe. Remember, verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Adverbs tell how, when, or how often, where, or how much. Another way of saying that is that adverbs answer the questions how, when, or how often, where, or how much. An adverb may come before or after the word it describes. At this point, you may stop the video and go to your teacher and ask what the next step is for you. There is one more slide if you choose to look at it. It's just extra information. You do not have to look at it, but for those of you who just like to get extra information, you might want to look at it. It gives you just a little bit more about adverbs. But remember, you are not required to look at the next slide. It's just extra information. Again, to review, adverbs answer the questions how, when, or how often, where, or how much in a sentence. There are four basic types of adverb: time, place, manner, and degree. Adverbs of time tell when, how often, and how long. Some examples of these are the words tomorrow, often, never, and always. Adverbs of place tell where, to where, or from where. Examples such as there, backward, outside. Adverbs of manner often end in ly and tell how something is done. Unkindly, gently, or well. Notice that well does not end in ly. Not all words ending in ly are adverbs. For example, the word lovely is an adjective. Adverbs of degree tell how much or how little. For example, scarcely, entirely, generally, very, really. At this time, you are finished with this presentation. Please see your teacher and see what you should do next. Thank you.